Hi everyone, welcome to Sophie Universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want answer one important question wey come to my inbox. um Normally I know they like to respond to some kind message like that, but I think I say I need to talk about because people out there, the many like this my sister will send this message come for me. My last video I talk about not just few seconds, few minutes now I talk about like I no fit go party make I go dey spray money like that, go dey throw insult my sweat, because now me work for the money. I know as I take suffer for the money, so people would expect me to like come do like that because maybe as I take dress come, or as I take carry my body, or because I late come. You know, when you late go party now, you be everybody focus. Maybe because of that one, I know they use shame take go dey spray. So this my sister send me inbox. She inboxed me, she tell me say, excuse me, she tell me say, good evening my sister Sophie, you talk about you no fit go party go spray. My question na, if you reach party, you dey eat? So that one na the question wey that my auntie, my sister, my love, I no know as I want to call her, my Edo sister, she say she be Edo. I took am upon myself make I come reply her, just to clear the air, to make people really understand something. I just pray the good spirit touch you to see from my own point of view. I know they say I know am, or I just they beg for you to like just take little time to see from my own point of view. That is all I'm here for. Make me and you just like they see things in a new way, instead of more they repeat, they see things what they see will not help anybody. I want to use this opportunity, this beautiful time, to send this message out. Say party na something where you do make people come celebrate with you. I dey go party to answer that my sister. Sometimes I dey eat, sometimes I no dey eat. All depends on the party when I go. You go party go spray, not make you dey like tell people say you truly like this person or you truly love this person. I just hope you understand, my brothers and sisters. Because you go person party, not me say na you can love and pass. You see, this aspect of we dey do party, to me I believe say we never still wake up. Many of us still dey sleep. With all due respect to everybody, you will do party, you get something to celebrate, you get something where you say make people come join you happy put. I see no reason why you would feel say somebody where you invite must spray for you. You not call and say make he come spray for you. Excuse me. You not invite this person to come spray for you. You invite this person to come celebrate with you. Like this person, you like the energy of this person. Money not be everything. You go spray for party. To me, it not make sense. With all due respect, it not make you responsible. That money where they pump for hair, that money where they throw away, that money where they say they do notice me, Why you no use am take buy better present wey this person go dey see, go remember say this year when I do this birthday, na this so person give me this gift, na so this person give me this gift. I just want make people see from my own point of view. No be say because I stingy, no be say because I no good, no be say because I hate that person, that make me talk say I no dey spray for party. You don't know whether I give the person gifts. You don't know whether the person don't appreciate me for back. You know, this live video, this video where people they do or where we they do, we know they get time to explain everything what we they talk. But as a reasonable person, you need to sit down and think and try to see from this angle, that particular angle where this person from the talk, not from your own angle. Because when you use your own angle to look at, you go misjudge this person because not watching the person they try to talk. We they do my friend, this one of my friend, my girlfriend they do birthday, my best friend they do birthday, and you go buy expensive clothes, you go buy expensive things just to take show off and not be your birthday, and you say na your best friend. Time, money where you take go do all these things, go buy clothes for yourself, go do this for yourself. You feel buy clothes for yourself on your day. This one are your best friend. Waiting be the gift where you give am, apart from you go sit down for kitchen, they cook for 24 hours. Don't we think why we don't want like throw away things where they hinder us? We were there for Western world. How many times we don't see all these foreigners, make all these Westerners, they do party as we say they do. You get money, you want to celebrate something, celebrate them with people that really cares about you. Celebrate them with people that truly love you, not be people where you don't know from Adam, not to talk of the evil inside. Like, look, we all grow up, most of them ask some questions where somebody will just look you and say, I don't feel waste my precious time with this kind of person. But I took it upon myself to like make I talk about and make many people like this, my sisters, see from another view. You go person party, go eat for person party, or go drink for person party. Not the bad thing. The person call you, make you come happy with them, make you come celebrate with them. The person should be capable to provide for anybody, any crowd where he or she pull, should be able to provide for it. Might tell you one story. My mom do a birthday of recent, and me and my siblings, my senior brother and my younger brother, we choose to surprise her and we donate small money to do surprise birthday for her. She really she appreciates it from the bottom of her heart. You know, say now we just one family, me, my brothers, my two brothers, one lady, my one sister, where they call, we take my mom as her mother, one bros again. We also we just do them like that. Drink where we buy, hangover we hold us the next day. We use drink take keep the hangover again because it come many that drink we still buy carry us reach another week. We not buy drink again. What am I trying to say? Cut your coats according to your size. Cut your coat according to your size. You know, not just say because you want snap pictures, you want show people what you they capable of doing. They can go carry debt put for your body, or they wait for people who want to spray you money. Who send you that money where they want to spray you? Why they not really use them? Say like buy gift for you where you they remember. Since when you they do this party or birthday or anything where you take feel say you just want to celebrate. How many gifts you fit to remember these things apart from video where you will see? Which gift you get where this person where you say truly love you give to you? Person they pump money for party. I feel, to my opinion, with all due respect to my brothers, my sisters, where they pump money for party, I feel say now primitive way of thinking. I feel say now because we dey try want intimidate people, because we dey try want show off. Not be say you don't love that person, because if you truly love that person, you no go give am stress to go dey change €1 where you dey spray. Wetin happen when you just put 10 euro? Even though na 10 euro, you na wetin come from your heart, you put for envelope without doing notice me, give am for hand before you even reach the party. Come dey pump money for hair, you dey show off, no be you dey do that birthday. That is why I don't like spraying in the party. Even if say na 5 euro I wan spray, na my sweat. I need to respect my sweat. I need to like feel like say this thing dey really come out, I dey give am from the bottom of my heart. You give it to her. E must not be money. Look for something. You know, many of us must stop to the reason like this. Must stop to the like they say we must do party. A person no come spray us better money wey we dey find. Must take cover space wey we take do party wey nobody send us. We will come dey vex like come dey like make heaven fall. Make we change all this thinking. Make we stop am. I beg you all. You dey go party because small pikin dey do birthday. I just wan use this opportunity to address many issues wey dey come up every time. You say you dey go party and this party na baby birthday party. You go buy all the diamond wey dey for market put for body. You pikin na dey say they do this birthday o. You no go carry your pikin comot for house. You wan you go show your enemy, person wey you feel say be your enemy, wey you feel say go dey for that party. You wan go show am say may not be wetin you think. Who cares? That one make you believe say that person not will talk about you again, or another new thing not see on that day to talk about you. Even if you not see another thing talk, all for you not bringing your child to that baby birthday party, they will still talk about her. People go dey do birthday party for baby. The baby go dey sleep, they go dey dance. You go come say na baby birthday, where the baby? They go say baby dey outside, and then they inside. They look for money where they want come spray you. Like, why you not just do this party? Say you really get this money, you want show off, you want do party. Why you not just do one and now say you don't want to make anybody spray for you? Just come and be happy with me. Come and celebrate with me. Now that one I be celebration. Don't the first person they do something. No vex a person not spray you for party, because not be everybody like am. When you really know what you they do, I don't believe say you will spray person for party. See, spray person for party not be bad thing. Like when you come they overdo and to come show off, not be you they do something now. You now musician come they sing now. You now everybody come they sing. No say you don't they overdo things. Not be you they do something that day. Now somebody day, so not turn out to your day. Don't turn it to your day. I beg you all out there. Make we know they take things personal. More not they take things say because person talk this word, you want find something, can't you like twist the matter. But before you bring them up, think about it. Think whether what you want talk so really makes sense. If person go party, whether it eats. My sister, change your thinking, change the way they think. If anybody they out there where they think like this, I beg you in the name of God, when you they go person birthday party, not be do or die thing say you must spray. Money where you want to spray. Even some people will transport from long distance on somebody birthday. Yes, you truly love this person, that make you take that stress. But person where you don't spend that money that time, you can't expect them make it constantly bomb the whether they speaker they bust money for her. We are being greedy. Nobody send us message. We say we want to do party, make we dey ready to do something before we dey call people. Oyibo no dey do all this party what they do. Many of us not reach half, in fact 1/4 of some Oyibo. But if they want to, excuse me, some people they not get money reach some Oyibo. They not reach 1/4 of them. But if these Oyibos, as we they call them, this Western world, if all these Westerners, they want do party, if they want do their party, they could just carry their family, go friend where they like, go restaurants. Even if they do party, They not come they exaggerate the way we say they exaggerate. Now their way of doing things, but look money whether they spend, whether they reach half of what they spend. Look all of them wey come that party, wey come that person party, all of them will come with gifts, like appreciate them for a day. How many of us they go party just give person gift say for your day, that has appreciate this person. And many of us wey dey call our friends, na my best friend, me and my best friend will wear the same shirt, we be 3 best friends, we be 4 best friend, na the same shirt, the same shoe, in fact the same makeup now we will do. One and not sit down, that's as una take be 4 group, 3 of una comot inside, really do this birthday for una friend, surprise am. And that one na be friendship. No be say una gather dey wear the same clothes, no be say una gather dey wear the same shoe, no be make am friendship. This 2019, check yourself, look what you fit dey do, wey no change your anything for your life, do the opposite. You call person your friend, take am out on her birthday, that is her day. Give her a gift wey she go take dey remember that friendship, even though una no dey play tomorrow again. Leave am with something, leave am with stigma, good stigma, wey you go see tomorrow, go say, ah, so years na this my friend na do this thing for me, or so day when I do my birthday I get these gifts. Why we not dey do like that? Why must be say we go dey spray money for party, now we want say like come no say we dey? Not be by like that. After you don't do party finish, after you don't do birthday finish, if your invitees, if people wey you invite not spray you, not carry all the food or drink wey dey on top of table go house, you go dey beg people make they give you €10, make you take buy food chop. You wey just do birthday yesterday with the excuse say I never change my dollar. If you change that dollar, no reach money we take carry home. Why don't we think? They say experience is the best teacher. I don't get many experience like this. I don't see many people where they do party out of make Jennifer or make Ivy not come talk say I do last year, I not fit do this year again. Go borrow money up and down, take do party just to please people for your own day. You go do birthday finish, you will do birthday, your birthday day you go dey cry because people dey fight. Why you go invite people where you know say go come fight for your birthday? Why you not invite people where go give you peace, so that when you finish your birthday you go sleep like baby? Celebrants go stress herself. When you come dey see celebrant dey dance for her, you go dey pity for am, say ah, why? Who send them? Stress when you kill am for your own day. These people where you they say they love you well, so people like this, my lovely sister when inbox me, I believe so those kind of my sister, they carry a year for meeting for their friend birthday. People like this who say they love you, why they not leave you with better thing where you tell remember that day? Why they want make you stress yourself? Why they not surprise you, make you just wake up say they don't arrange everything for you, just reach there dance? Celebrant, one celebrant not day where they really dance the way it be they are belle or wait they belle. People wey invest, wey will go gossip on tomorrow, wey will come tell and say you not try reach, food not reach my hand, oh drink not just dey that party. We will talk about now those kind of people now they invite. People wey no go even appreciate am, people wey go spoil that day for am, now you go invite. So why don't you rethink and stop this rubbish? With all due respect, na rubbish. Birthday, yes, e worth time to celebrate. That money wey you want go through, wey you dey forbid to buy €500 earring, you dey forbid to use that money wey you want to go carry her 800 700 take buy better tiny gold or silver or diamond necklace. Calculate money where you use take organize birthday. You will see paying that, small paying that diamond 1,500. You dey forbid to wear, and people wey dey wear and they wear 10 head. Why don't you think after you come here and tell me you appreciate yourself? Like seriously, when you no fit buy things wey expensive for yourself, like how do we think? This one are one of the reasons why now they make me dey spray for birthday, because I don't feel do and pass. It not help me. It not put anything join my life. It make me like the wayward. For real. You go use like 2,000 take organize birthday. At the end of the day, you no go see 500 complete after you don't share all those dollars. Why you not just, you want spray $20? Why you not just give one for envelope to save her those stress? After her birthday, the next day she'll go bank, they find bank wey wan change dollar for her. Make we sit down, make we think, make we abeg. Why you not take yourself out by yourself? You don't want to invite anybody. It's your day, for crying out loud. It's your day. Why you not just take yourself out? Go to the best restaurant. If you get boyfriend, you get husband, you get fiancé, take them out. You know the company saying that they will take you out. Appreciate yourself. When you see person who say wants to take you out, appreciate them and tell them thank you for appreciating me. With all of us just the form, na me good pass, na me no pass, na me sabi pass. No be so. Don't they live life like that? We don't live once. Look how many years where you did. No say that from that time, from 1 year. In fact, since when they're born, you now you start to live that kind of life. Don't you think it's time to change? Don't you think it's time to change our mindsets? If I go party, if I feel like I eat, if I feel like I no go eat, you understand? So that one not be question whether they ask. I say I know they spray for party. Whether I said you say you know they spray for party, but you they eat for party. Like that question, na question of negative, where come from negative energy. Positive energy cannot ask that question. Positive energy no go fit ask you that kind of question, because he or she gets good heart. You know, those kind of people, they do their gifts secretly. Those kind of people, they appreciate somebody secretly in the sense that they know they do and say awareness. They know they do awareness. They know they do them to take like mock people. They know they do them to take like intimidate people, to take send evil message and say, see me, oh, I still there here. Oh. Then they make many people they do birthday. I don't put my sweat for those kind of things. When you go birthday, when love really day, when they really love themselves, you will see them. You will know. Sometimes if I go birthday, I see the energy where they there. Not be say because say I too big, oh. Not be say because say I deform. No, I don't want negative energy to come pollute me, because so you save yourself from those things and leave. Not me say you don't like that person, but the person with the people where this person they mingle with might change you. If it change you for real. So sometimes make we change the way we take they think. Make we really change the way we take they think. When somebody they do birthday, say baby birthday, make on that baby birthday. You where they go spend millions, thousands, say because you want to appreciate your baby. Is a loving and that is a good thing to do, to appreciate this your child. Why you want to appreciate your own pikin? You know if you buy gold small earring for her own day, we go be say you go she will know. Tell am say this na your birthday. Give am say take small your birthday gift, and that child go that is don stop for her head. On my birthday day, my mom gave me this earring as a gift. Why you not buy your daughter, your son golden necklace? Your child deserve 1,000 euro jewelries for body. Occasionally, not the one where they sit there they intimidate who not gets. Not the one you say they intimidate who not get. If you want to do baby birthday, make it that baby's birthday. Not exaggerate things, because that baby not know anything what they do. That baby not go remember. How many of una will do birthday for una pikin? Do birthday for una pikin for 1 year. How many pikin una fit ask now 3 years? We don't day 15 years now. We go feel remember what happened that day. It not day. So why are we deceiving ourselves? You expect me to go to that kind of a party and start pumping money? Now me they show myself and not be my birthday. Instead of me to do those things, you know, I feel go Chinese store, I go see top of 25 euro where there's conto, where they do discounts, if it be, you know, for me say it must be Italian store, it must be real America store, it must be all this maka no, some Chinese clothes dey wey be say you go buy, people go dey ask you say which store you for buy am. Chinese get quality, even the ones wey not get quality na somebody God put for there to patronize people wey dey make those products because dem dey grow up. Somebody must patronize them. You must belong to one category to promote that their market for them to go the next level. So somebody must always wear it. Don't stop this idea of this one wear Chinese, this one wear Chinese, this one wear Aba made. Now making Nigeria economy not grow because nobody want wear Aba. We dey commonize them. We dey say oh Aba na Igbo made. Aba better thing not the Aba made. Forget better thing the Aba made. Sometimes if some girls show you clothes wey Aba made do, you go surprise. E dey fine, e dey make sense. Just that with the form say no, this one excuse me. With the form say na Chinese, we not fit wear an Aba made, we too local, people just see am for my body. Na only that one that they see. But when you dey difficulty, they know they see and make it come render you help. So why do you like displeasing yourself to please other people? Now they talk am again when you do birthday for yourself, you say you do for your baby, and your baby not remember one thing what you do for on that day. Now they talk am again say na your baby birthday. It's time for us to tell ourselves the truth. It's time for us to like say enough is enough. Stop to put yourself for mirror. Not stop to put yourself for public, make people talk about you. Do things, call people wey you know say really appreciate you. If people not see the way appreciate you, your children, that your pikin wey you want do your birthday for, all on na two just dey play the round room, it's something. You dey there, papa dey there, the baby dey there, wetin you want again? Nobody gets evil mind for each other. This is family. So why do we complicate issues? Why I know they spray for party again? Why I know they do them again? Now because you just go to party, you see some people wey say they love you, wey say oh they come from different place, come like celebrate with you. They go one comot, they go begin the pack drink wey dey on top of table. They'll begin the pack meat wey dey on top of table. They'll begin the pack everything wey dey on top of table. Then the pack am is not the problem. Then the pack am is not the problem because who give person food eats? Na person savior. Then they take am na good thing because na person want chop am. But the language wey they use when they take that food, now they pay me. I don't hear am pass 2-3 times when people will they tell their friend say you gonna yari man now they waste money when I take on this party, you know go just waste. I need to cover money when I take come, and these are the people you are inviting to celebrate with you. These are the people you feel say they love you because they can't shake their body, because they can't dance away their sorrow. Waiting those people bring up for you. These are the things we should start asking. These are the things we should stop doing. Where not they add join our life, where they come out for our life. Because you want post to me say you know they suffer again, you can't do party, go put yourself for debt to say you want to say please me. Do I really care about you? Now you get headache, now you they think now waiting there your brain, now waiting you the reason, now waiting you they think, now waiting you don't make them become your problem. Maybe that person not even the reason you. You don't do that party before that person even know say you they exist. Because that person still get your own problem where they think. Now you get that problem by yourself. They think say I want do one. Me you know say me will do that in that time. God don't bless me. If God bless you, let me see it for your kids' body. If God bless you, let me see him from the way you talk. If God don't bless you, let me see him for your character. If God don't bless you, let me see him for the way you address things these days. Now be blessing. Money not be in. Money not paper. Now you and me give that money value. Who give you value? you give yourself that value wey you no fit buy for market. You appreciate yourself before people appreciate you outside. You adore yourself before people adore you outside. That is the plain facts. People wey come your party, no be all of them like you. People wey no spray, believe me, you, from my own experience, I believe say na those people even love you pass, because they came with their hearts. They came because they just want to come. They not come make they come show somebody where they gossip, the way they know say e no like them. See say they too dey. They just come because they like you. They not think of those gossipers. Now those people na me they admire. Now those people na they appreciate. Not be people wey come dey pump money. Not be people wey come dey like show off. Not be your day for crying out loud. You never pay B. You never pay B. Maybe recharge card not dey your phone. Why would they live all this fake life? Why we want please people? Why would they think say people get our time? Why would they make wetin people they think become our problem? I just say I talk about this thing to take encourage my brothers and sisters wey dey out there. They think say if you go party, you must pray. If you be that person, true friend, tell her make you not do that party, make you use that money to do better thing for your life. If you get friend wey want do party for a pikin because you don't reach 1 year, because you don't reach 5 years, advise am make you go put that money. Bad as e bad say not to do that big party, make 1,000 not pass am, make you go put am for that pikin account. When that pikin dey 18 years, e go make use of the money. Make you use am to buy an expensive thing where that pikin go see remember tomorrow. When the pikin don dey 18 years, use am take do gift for am. Baby, when you dey for this year, snap am when you dey for that 1 year. Go hide am. If na under your luggage, hide am until she reach 18 years. Tell am, snap with the necklace, the earring wey you give am, to take remember and tell am how much you appreciate and you still kept this picture. See whether your pikin go forget that thing for the rest of your life. Why would they do things to take please people? Why would they do things to take show say hey, even if say that man they feel say I dey suffer, one proof to and say I know they suffer. Deep down in you, you know after that party you are suffering. So why will I go there when I know the truth, when I know what they happen? Come go they like they do all those like thing. Gone are those days. It no help me. It no help me. For real, it no help me. So why would they do things when not they add to our life? That money we want to show off. If we put them for accounts for pikin until reach 18 years, the government go they use until they trade. Before you reach 18 years, maybe that money, even though they not even put money at all for 18 years, €100 must enter. €100 is a plus to that child's life because it don't turn €1,100 or $1,100 or £1,100. Any currency where you don't they use, you go multiply. You must multiply before you reach 18 years. So what are we not saying? Why we they appreciate people? They think for our small mind. Say we they appreciate our child, and this child not they dance. This child not see children we play with on the own day. This child not see other people thought, other children believe, other people way of believing, except the one way they see for school. Yet una say una be friend. Yet una say una come celebrate that pikin birthday. This one are all the reasons wey make me not spray for birthday. Not be say I even to get some. Not be say I get some in Jesus' name. I get some in the name of the good spirit. I get some abundantly because that's what it's supposed to be. But not be because I greedy. Now make me not the spray for birthday. No, I look at some birthday, I just say it doesn't work. You know what? You know what? You take stress, you decide to take the stress. When you really get friends, you know will take the stress. They go say make you go sleep and they will do everything because they don't want you to be stressed up. Is your day. If you get friend where you want to do something and you know say this person situation is not good, you really know this person say they suffer and they want to borrow you money, make you add your money to buy tomatoes. If you be true friend, you go tell them say this thing where you want to do, so I not believe say it water. I not believe say it water. This money will reach you to start business where you start with €500. Believe me, you will make them when you be good marketer. When you know what you they do, see you will make them. Just get good manner of approach. you must make it. When you want go through away tomorrow, you dey look for who want borrow you €5 make you go buy milk for pikin when you just born €500. Like seriously, make we abeg, nobody care wetin you wear, nobody care how you take dey live, only you na care for yourself. If you go party, if you hungry you to eat, you eat. If you not hungry you to eat, you comot. But you wey sit down near this person, no dey reason am say this person as he just come, oh see as he take dress, you think say na him just get money pass for here. You dey give yourself headache because that person come with good energy. Your negative energy has to die. You don't know this person before. You don't know whether this person don't first do gift for this person. You don't know their contract. You don't know what's in there between this person and the celebrants. You just carry begin the gossip on that person matter. It is bad, and God they play boju for your heart. God they look you. Maybe you just need finish fasting. How you want to walk? How you want to walk? Most stop this pretending. Most stop to the pretend follow each other. Most follow each other with pure hearts. When you get, let people know say you get. When you not get, let people know say you not get. After all, you are just you. After all, nobody they tell you this thing go heaven. Nobody they carry and go when you don't die. Nobody. So why we come they like form for each other? They like show wetin we not be, person not spray, na that one come dey talk dey go as he just stress reach he not dress. You know whether na that cloth wey he wear, whether na 5 years or 10 years ago they get am for wardrobe. You don't know. Some people can maintain their clothes when they put them on. You feel say they go buy am yesterday. You don't know, and you start just reading meaning to this person's life because he wear better clothes. Because she look good or he look good. You don't want to talk about. This person where you talk about now, you don't know whether na him dey there to help you. You don't know whether na opportunity where you say meet your helper, but you just use mouth to condemn am because you feel say the person they carry body, you feel say the person not spray, you feel say the person drink he not spray, and not be your money. And this one a person where you say be your sister. This one a person where you say be your brother, your time person. Your time person, now you say this person be. So make we abeg, make we change the way we say they like do things. It's not helping us. For real, it's not helping us. I watched one video for YouTube, and though people come they do union something, if I'm not mistaken, pardon me, for one Europe country, and it's supposed to make all Edo come in peace. Make we show that love, we show that unity, we show that bond where Baba God, where our ancestors put inside us. We let all hates go. Make we show the world say we are better together. But what do my Edo people do? When you look the video, you will say, where is the love? When this love die? Everybody they form for each other. Everybody want show each other say na make they pass. Everybody want. No, because when that hours don't pass, you go put those clothes for body for ground. Who you help? What do you change? What do you show me outside that will be another tribe? What do you say my collect from that unity where you wanna call? Why you not be that Jesus like? Why you not be our ancestors? Why you not be that good example where people will see, be the light in any place where you dey, where people say, I feel saying I saw these people be, but see this one different inside. Be that different person. You reach there, person wey no dey greet you. This one na your sister, na your brother. Because of wetin he talk, you feel say you no fit forgive, you want show off, you want tell am say man, na you wear Gucci pass, na you wear mustache pass, na you wear Guess pass, na you wear Moschino pass, na you wear all the designers pass. You come begin they carry your hand, they carry your leg, they feel like say man, now that is this one na something na program, na something where somebody plan, where somebody thought say to show the world say we get love within us. We be brothers and sisters. Anywhere where we foresee ourselves, we will try to train ourselves to appreciate ourselves. Chineze, they quarrel. Chineze, they quarrel. But you can never meet Chineze, they quarrel for public. You can never meet Chineze, they fight for their store. Do you want to tell me, say, they know they get misunderstandings? Do you want to tell me, say, they know they insult themselves? No, but they don't show it outside. How they speak the English? They don't wash their dirty linens outside. I'll cut my tongue today, boys. There, you don't understand. So make we are beg, make we show love to people. Make we do things where we go fit do, where we know say our pocket rich, where we say we no go come dey like regret, like they call our pikin down. This is why I used to do this birthday for you. Door just dey close, everywhere door dey close. Why you no go close? Leave that pikin. Now you the mama or the papa be bad head. Wait, let people with bad energy to come possess your innocent child, to come put their hatred, their negative energy on top your pikin. They spray money of hate on top your pikin. They spray money wey not come from their heart on top their pikin. Then you turn back to say your pikin, he or she or he or her na bad pikin, na bad head. No, accept your faults. Na your faults. Na you na invite the evil spirit, the beast wey hates you with passion come your home. Now you let them come drop that wicked heart. Now you let them come with that negative energy to your house. So you are to be blamed. That child is innocent of your wrongdoing. Hey, boy, so my brothers and sisters, ways will still think like this, my sister, like you go party, you not eat for the party not to come celebrate with this person, to bring out all your belly. Trust them, eat what you cook, drink anything we get for you. So make we stop this mentality. Say if you go party, you must pray for this person. You train yourself. Say if you go party, you must give person gifts. Appreciate this person. Now money take do all these things, all this food we cook. Those say na she or him now put their self for that position. But at least put something for envelope. You must not show yourself because nobody send you. After you don't show yourself finish, now you be the next topic for everybody waiting for that party that day. All the bad mind, good mind will talk about you in negative way, in positive way, where people you go encourage to go put hand for bad thing because they want you to be like you. You don't get role model there. So change the way you think. Look people where they inspire. Look people where they teach something. Look people where they look up to you. You feel no know somebody somewhere just like you the way you be. Somebody somewhere just like you the way you take throw away money. Wants to be like it. Might be a child where not understand, where will grow with that mentality. Say na so it's supposed to be. You be role model to somebody. No matter how you be a good role model. Leave better stigma for somebody body because you don't know picking where they copy you. Stop this idea of throw away money for hair. Not be the best. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, appreciate people with presents. Surprise people. If not your friend, as you call her your best friend, surprise them. Take and go club. Take and go the best restaurant. Buy them jewelries. Money where you want to go buy bag of fries. Want to support them. They no say you be friend. Money where you want to go buy carton of anything. If you want to buy a small good pendant, believe me, you will appreciate and pass. You go appreciate and pass for real. Buy Chinese trouser. You go appreciate and so far make you fine. Some Chinese trouser day where you go buy 80 euro. As your level, you're still rich. Some people not fit buy and me never reach that level one go buy Chinese trouser 80 euro. Some people don't reach the level where go buy 200. No, now level is still rich. Now that person go still put for them. Make it still promote the best way they do that business. So everybody must not be the same. I just hope you understand. My own way when I take choose, I want to accept be myself. Not let them be your problem. Look for how you would say accept yourself in your comfortable zone. Look for how you would take love yourself. Look for the area where you feel say you would be comfortable in your skin and just be that person. Not judge any person for the life where he choose to live, for what he choose to do. Now he or she will pay put on that very good day. So not make am be your own problem to forget what you dey do. Ask important question. Not be say this one not important. E important, very, that is it too important. Now make me come up with this video. Now make me come up with this topic. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, don't take it personal. See reasons for me. See, say to do birthday na very beautiful thing. Do am as your power reach. Do am where you know go come the vex for people. Say, you know, see, because you dey expect something, you dey expect big money, you know, come see am. May you not come dey send. May you not come dey send wrong message to people wey just come appreciate you. I beg you, try to understand, don't take it personal. Brother, this one not reach to take personal. Sister, this one not reach to take personal. Let us just be okay. Money we wan go spray for up. If you truly love this person, you go use am take buy am gold, you go use am take buy am diamond. That person no dey forbid am. If you use am take buy am better top, like buy top of 70 euros. Since you want go throw away, you want go spray 100 euro for hair, buy am top 70 euro, buy am trouser 70 euro, buy am top of 30 euro. You will still get change, but you still put for envelope, give am, come be 2 gifts. So make we use common sense, make we activate our common sense. May the good spirit give us the reason to just like activate our common sense and start using it to make your life and my life better. Brother, sister, I beg you again, don't take it personal. I love you in the name of love, and you know that. Till I come your way next time, this is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Follow me up on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Throw me your questions, contribute. Thank you for correcting me for where you think I went wrong. I understand from your own point of view as well. When we talk like this, all of us, we be brothers and sisters, and we will understand ourselves. The way you tell the think, not be so I tell the think. The way I tell the think, not be so you tell the think. 2 good heads are better than 1. So when we bring our head together, we can make Edo State one of the best states you can ever think of for this world. When we just love ourselves and let some things go. When we start to talk to ourselves, we'll see say we don't get time to keep malice. So I love you till I come your way next time.